Looking for a little more protection on your diffs? We got the solution. I'm Casey Currie, and today on Explained, we're going to be talking about the Currie Legacy diff covers. On our Currie diff covers, we've made them out of nodular iron. They are beefy and indestructible. If you ever had a problem, just call us and we'll take care of it. Now, some of the added benefits. We've added a lot of material on the bottom. This way, basically, when you're smashing rocks, there's no way that you're going to shear off any of the bottom bolts and drain that oil out. We've also put in a fill plug and a check hole. So this way you can keep track and make sure that the oil level is at the right level at all times. We put a nice stainless badging on it to really give it some nice shine to it, as well as being under the vehicle. We have them in red, black, and raw, so you can powder coat it any color you want. What our kit comes with is a nodular iron diff cover. It comes with a gasket maker. It comes with all the hardware you will need to be able to bolt it on. And remember, if you don't want to use the silicone, it can be used with the stock reusable gasket from Jeep. Our diff covers are available for the Jeep JK, Rubicon and non-Rubicon. It's available for the JL, Rubicon and non-Rubicon, and the Jeep Gladiator, Rubicon and non-Rubicon. That is explaining the Currie Legacy diff cover. If you have any questions, give us a call, write us an email, or leave a comment below and we will get back to you right away. If you like this video and want to subscribe, click here. If you want to see more Currie Explains, click here. And if you want to see more Currie content, click here.